Yeah.
Full throttle?
Yeah, full throttle. Hey, what's the RPM? Okay, the RPM is about 1500 and he's flooring the gas right now. And if you release the gas, go ahead and release the gas. It just stops.